Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how you can delete a repository file in GitHub. To delete a file, first open github.com in your web browser and log into your account. From the top right corner, click on your profile picture and select your repositories. Now, choose the repository where you want to delete a file. Once inside, navigate through the folders until you find the file you want to remove. Simply click on the folder name to open it, and then click on the file itself. After the file opens, you'll see its content. At the top right corner of the file view, click on the three-dot menu. From the drop-down, select Delete File. You'll be redirected to a confirmation page. On the top right, click on Commit Changes. A pop-up will appear. Add a short commit message describing the deletion, then hit the Commit Changes button. That's it. The file has now been successfully deleted from your GitHub repository. By following these simple steps, you can easily manage and remove unwanted files from your projects on GitHub. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.